In this video, we're going to look at the different themes in the basetheme package. Now, many users seem to like ggplot for the easy way to change the look of graphics. You can do this in base R, but depending on what you want to do, it requires a lot of extra parameters. A different way is the basetheme package. So we use library basetheme and then simply plot as usual. Here are the themes that are built in no particular order. We have basetheme void, basetheme clean, basetheme brutal, basetheme royal, basetheme deep blue, basetheme dark, basetheme ink, and basetheme minimal. To remove the themes, use basetheme null. There are two helper functions to set the colors. Sometimes you might want to tweak the plot a tiny bit, like specifying the color of the points. You do this the same way you would do this for built-in plots. For examples, if you want a different color, just set the color as you'd normally do. You can also create your own themes for the package, and you'll probably figure out how to do it using the instructions provided by the package.